What's up guys, welcome back, day 19. Have not much of a plan for today. Our car just came back from the shop and today we're gonna return the motorbike. So I have no other special plans, so we will see what this video will bring. I think I will do some homework with my daughter and so on. I might do some posting on Instagram to make people ask me questions so I can answer them here for you guys. So yeah, so today has just been a chill day. Only went down to 7 and bought me some energy drink and a sandwich. Yeah. So I will cut now and come back later. Hey guys, just decided to take my daughter for a ride to see the environment around here, and I will bring you guys with us. So yeah, we're gonna go another way that we doesn't usually go. So yeah, because 5 o'clock we will return the motorbike, so I want to take out as much gasoline as I can before I return it, because when I got it from them it was not much in it, so I needed to fill it up. So yeah, let's ride. Oh, haha. Bitches. Oh, wow. I have a 7 up here too. Cool. Wow. Yeah. Phones. What's this? Oh, small restaurant. Yeah. Oh, animal. It's the zoo. Yeah. It's a zoo. Cool. Wildlife breeding station. Oh, it's not a zoo. It's kind of a zoo. It's like Hua-Hin Wildlife Breeding Station. Oh wow. Huh. Yeah. Might can see some more animals if we drive slowly here. I don't know, but yeah. We saw some before. I think I'm gonna turn around over here and start to go back just a highway here, and just like a houses. Yeah. I don't know how far we are right now, but I will check on my phone. Can you hold here? I go on Google Maps. Not so far. If we go up more, then we will come to the highway. So the Black Mountain is down the corner, then you come up to the zoo. We are here and we are up here. The house is down here. Allez. Move your foot. Thank you. Oh, now we're back home. See, I have something on the other screen, so I'll have to check that out. What's happened? Okay, that was that ride. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, see you guys next segment. Okay, guys, we have just returned the bike, and everything was okay. So, yeah. Now we're going to the market. Tjejer! Oh. So I'm happy they stopped. So and I see now my camera is turned around. So I maybe have to turn it around when on the computer. See you guys soon. Okay guys, we're back home. I just finished eating. Now I'm gonna go out with my friend. And I'm gonna cut this video here because then we have to pack everything up, because tomorrow we're heading over to Pattaya for one night and then go up to Royet. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye.